Quality baseline established. Confirm 0 handling errors.
Marbling and condensation are exactly as required.
The stream of high-fat trimmings, now separated from the prime Wagyu beef flanks, tumbles into a sealed hopper in a distant.
Laser guides project a green grid onto the Wagyu beef flanks. Verify.
The highly marbled Wagyu flanks await entry into the pressurized injection chamber, marking the end of the preparation phase before being transformed.
This rapid saturation process, taking only seconds, is crucial to inhibit bacterial growth and establish.
The needles retract, leaving tiny pinpricks. The slightly swollen surface confirms successful liquid uptake. A robotic sensor quickly probes the center of a smoked Wagyu beef flank, confirming the internal temperature has dropped to the
A synchronized robotic arm gently lifts the precisely stacked 250 pre-filtered.
The AGVs move the crated Wagyu beef bacon to the cold storage warehouse, confirming the physical completion and storage of Process A. Following the Wagyu beef run, the WB20 line undergoes a thorough automated sterilization process.
This is the initiation of Process B. Inside these vats, the ground Wagyu fat for our WT90 bricks. The temperature is strictly maintained below 70 degrees Celsius to ensure the tallow retains its mild.
Inside a high-speed centrifuge, the liquid Wagyu tallow is spun rapidly, separating remaining water.
Functions. The highly purified liquid Wagyu tallow is transferred into a sealed stabilization tank, where it undergoes a brief.
The stabilized Wagyu tallow is smoothly carried via stainless steel pipes to the cooling station, preparing for its final transfer.
The trays of filled tallow molds enter a refrigerated conveyor tunnel. This controlled cooling prevents crystallization defects.
This wrapping protects the product from dust and moisture during handling and storage, ensuring the integrity of the secondary product before it leaves the factory floor.
Everything is accounted for here, including the WT90. Just sign right there for the transfer of custody.
Looks good. I'll sign for it now.
As the steak meets the hot rendered WT90, a deep caramelized crust forms,
And here we see the final output, the high-grade Wagyu beef tallow, model WT90.